guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video, you can already tell from the title, yes, this is gonna be a very fun video. I never see another YouTuber done this before. If you guys are watching and you know somebody who ever do this, let me know in the comment section. But for me, I never see someone do this before. But in this video, I'll be doing a uncut, uncensored video. Like a lot of you guys saw the editing section of, you know, every video on YouTube. Like we don't put the whole entire thing in there, we edit it. Okay, so pretty much you guys are only seeing like 20%, or I would say 50% of the video, and we, you know, edit the rest. So I just found a couple videos that I want to show you, maybe like 5 videos that I did, and I just want to show you the unedited side, the uncensored side. I want to show you the good and the ugly. All right, so I'll be posting, I'll be showing you like cuts of stuff that I edit and I put in, because when we do makeup, especially makeup, sometimes it's like 2 hours. We don't show you that because we don't want to bore you guys. So we probably cut it down to like the most 30 minutes. But trust me, it's hard work. It's not easy. Like I will spend 2 hours on my face and then I edit the rest. So I'll be showing you clips of different video that is not edited. I'm going to show you how it is with no edits. Alright, and yes, I hope you enjoy, and when it's all done, I'm going to come back and all of that stuff. So yes, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that bell and the subscribe button so you can get notified as soon as I upload, which is every single Tuesday and Thursday. So yes, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go back and I'm going to spray my face, and I'm using the Glam Glow setting spray. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Prestige P. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Prestige P. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And in today's video, you can already tell from the title exactly what I'll be doing today. And yes, this is the battle of the full coverage foundation that, you know, everybody been talking about, and a lot of people love it, a lot of people hate it, and whatever. But anyways, I will be talking about, and I will be showing you how these full coverage foundation look on my dry ass skin. I have been loving this foundation from the day I got it and put it on onto my face. I love it so much. Okay, so I will be doing that. Okay guys, so I popped my lashes on. These lashes are just from the drugstore. I don't remember the name, but they were just laying around and I just picked it up. But these lashes are from the drugstore. Okay, so let's get into the foundation. So I have a couple of foundation here that I love so much, and I really don't know what I'm gonna go with, but okay, so I'm gonna go in with something that I showed you earlier with the Pro Filter. So I'm gonna try the Fenty. I love this Fenty so much, and I have a lot more, but I really want to use the Fenty today. So I'm gonna stick with the Fenty, and yeah, take a picture. Okay guys, so this is it of the parade or pride. Okay guys, so this is my pride. Okay guys, so this is the Pride month. Oh my god. Okay guys, so this is the final of my Pride month makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And this look is very nice. I love it so much with my hair and everything. It turned out very well. And don't forget to watch this video right here that is coming up. And I will see you next video. Bye guys. Better be a damn thumbnail. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fully prep your skin before foundation and all of that good stuff. So if you want to see how I do prepping and priming and all of this, okay guys, so I already, do my eyebrow off camera because okay guys, so I put my wig on off camera because I did show you a video of how I put. Okay guys, so I put my stocking cap off camera because my previous video I showed you guys how I put it on and stuff like that, so don't need to be showing it again. It's the same technique, nothing changed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video you could already tell from the title what I'm going to be doing today, and it's definitely all about the eyebrow and how to get your eyebrow really snatched and not looking too fake or too dramatic or too extra, just make it look really nice and simple. Okay, so before we get jumped, charge this because I can. Okay guys, so yes, this is all it. I hope you enjoy. Like, it was hard editing this. Like, I have to find like 5 videos. I have a lot of video on YouTube, like over 200, and I have to find 5 that you say, you know what, let me just put this in and show you the unedited side of those videos. And it was fun doing this. It was really fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give it a big thumbs up and comment. Let me know. Say, hey, do this too, do that too. So, you know, you guys tell me what I should do on my channel, and I will definitely do it. This is how we become friends and, you know, get to know each other a lot more. But yes, that was the unedited and uncensored side of my videos. And yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I hope you enjoy. That's all I gotta say. I hope you enjoy, and it was fun for me watching it back over and seeing myself, and I was like, ooh! Yeah. But I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to tune in every single Tuesday and Thursday for more. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.